Check out this shocking moment in Arkansas. A close call. By clicking subscribe today, you not only help us be motivated to create more great videos, but also contribute to spreading knowledge to help people cope with natural disasters. What happened in the sky? A plane passing through Heathrow Airport survived after encountering a lightning strike. I'm pondering why this tree trunk is ablaze. Perhaps they've been impacted by some supernatural force.
Holy shit!
Oh, wow! Are they having some sort of emergency appointment?
We got an emergency here!
What I love about the sky is that it is never the same. Every day there is a new surprise. Heavy rains have continued to destroy the entire road system in Nova Scotia. This is a valuable lesson in never underestimating the power of nature, no matter how favorable the conditions. So dangerous. A flight from Toronto to Calgary was forced to make an emergency landing in Lethbridge after a plane's windshield was shattered by hail.
Oh la la! Oh wow! Oh, you got a big wave, eh?
Oh my God! Believe it or not, this raging torrent destroyed a small village in India. This CCTV footage shows a teacher lecturing to students in a classroom when a powerful earthquake suddenly struck on the 30th of November, 2018, causing chaos in the classroom.
We're okay. Everybody's okay, right? Stay underneath the table.
Sign up now to join us in turning natural scenes into survival lessons. As the floodwaters engulf the streets, each car horn sounds like a wake-up call. Today, you will not only stand by and watch, but will also feel the fragility of human beings before the boundless power of nature. look at the cars submerged in floodwaters in Texas. A dramatic sight when nature shows its uncontrollable power. Oh my God! A fierce sandstorm has engulfed a small village in China, forcing the meteorological agency to advise residents to limit outdoor activities due to strong winds and poor visibility. Oh my God! A scaffolding of an under-construction building collapsed due to strong winds and heavy rains in Mumbai today. Hope everyone around is safe. There is an explanation for the disappearance of the ice at the poles. They moved to Texas this summer.
Oh, there it goes.
You got it on video. Oh.
A massive avalanche from a mountain range in India is a powerful reminder of the raw and brutal power of nature. Oh my gosh! Floods caused by Hurricane Helen swept through Asheville, North Carolina, turning streets into rivers and sweeping away homes and cars, demonstrating the unstoppable power of nature. This building collapsed within hours of the 7.8 magnitude earthquake in San Liorfa. Indoor cameras captured this terrifying tornado in action. A major question has been raised about the quality of the roof construction at a warehouse in Jackson, Tennessee, following the tornado. The site of a waterfall on a road in northern New South Wales is a clear sign of heavy rainfall and the threat of serious flooding ahead. Prolonged heavy rains and intense flooding left a North Carolina coastal home helpless before nature, eventually swept away by the raging floodwaters. I feel like this mountain seems smaller than it did before. The rage cannot be stopped, only causing destruction and plunging everything into chaos like the collapse of this great tree. Oh my God! This can't be happening because lightning doesn't strike the same place twice. I can declare that. Crazy annual mountain bike races take place here with over 1,000 riders participating. If nature is furious, it's best to leave as early as possible, and certainly not to look back at them. Building a structure here is quite risky, as floods can sweep them away at any time, leaving you frustrated as everything will now be delayed. I have never seen such strong winds. All of Lincoln, Nebraska seemed to be lifted by the fury of nature. Unbelievable. An unforgettable display of a giant dust storm that hit Wadi ad-Dawasir yesterday afternoon, swallowing the sky and turning day into night in an instant. Witnessing the incredible eruption of a mud volcano located in East Nusa Tenggara province left those present there in shock. Being a researcher in Antarctica is a really challenging job, and it's just a simple path from one module to another.
Coming down again.
Here comes the actual water.
Oh my god, yeah, it's way lower down there.
Check out this dramatic footage, showing a mushroom-shaped plume of smoke rising from the crater, piercing the clouds, caused by intermittent explosions that occurred during the peak of the 2011 eruption of Mount Shinmodake.
Oh my god! Oh!
Surely this is another reason to take a detour instead of testing your fate on a dangerous mountain road. And immediately flooded India completely. Come to the volcano's fury. I think Aban has the perfect setting for the Mad Max sequel, where the mud volcano looks both scary and cool. Maybe we need some cold air to cover the warmth from that volcano. You see, nature always brings surprises and challenges that defy all laws that science proves. They always paint intriguing and unique, beautiful pictures, like talented artists.
Oh man!
Luckily, they were fine.
Look at that.
Surely you will be surprised when you first see this phenomenon.